Build a career in a high-demand industry. The global economy depends heavily on efficient supply chains. Companies rely on professionals who can manage procurement, logistics, inventory, and distribution. As businesses expand and online commerce grows, demand for skilled supply chain professionals is increasing across India. A diploma in supply chain management is an excellent course for students and professionals. This diploma prepares you for logistics, operations, procurement, or warehouse management roles. What is supply chain management? Supply chain management coordinates activities involved in producing and delivering a product to the final customer. It includes procurement of raw materials, inventory control, transportation, warehousing, and distribution. Large companies like Amazon and Flipkart rely on highly efficient supply chains to deliver products quickly. Why supply chain management is a growing career. Expansion of e-commerce. Growth of manufacturing is driving demand for logistics professionals. Increasing global trade creates more complex supply networks. Digital transformation of logistics is changing how operations are managed. Industry reports project the Indian logistics market to reach over $380 billion by 2027. This growth creates strong demand for trained professionals in procurement, logistics operations, and warehouse management. Opportunities also exist in inventory planning and supply chain analytics. Palium Skills offers a 6-month diploma in supply chain management to make students job ready. The course balances theoretical knowledge with practical training. Students learn supply chain fundamentals, procurement, inventory management, warehousing, and transportation. The curriculum also covers demand forecasting, global supply chains, and supply chain analytics. Students get exposure to enterprise systems used by major companies through ERP training. The course includes training on SAP and Oracle SCM Cloud, tools used by multinational corporations. After completing the diploma, students can apply for roles like supply chain executive, logistics coordinator, and procurement analyst. Companies in logistics, manufacturing, retail, and e-commerce are actively hiring supply chain professionals. Students choose Palium Skills for its industry-oriented training approach and practical projects. Key advantages include ERP exposure, internship opportunities, placement assistance, and experienced faculty. The Institute aims to bridge the gap between academic learning and industry requirements. This course suits BBA and BCom graduates, engineering students, MBA aspirants, and working logistics professionals. Duration is 6 months with classroom and hybrid learning options available in India. Supply chain management is one of the most promising career fields today due to e-commerce and global trade expansion. A diploma in supply chain management from Palium Skills can help build a successful career in this fast-growing industry. Palium Skills has a team of experienced faculty members drawn from the industry. For more questions, contact Palium Skills.